the St. Agatha Church. This is originally set upon the base of the 6th century church. You can see the apse here, the altar in the middle. Most likely 4 stones, pillars that were coming up at that point. There's a point here that shows the pillar, little pillar there. Up above you can see many of these different tops display crosses, especially in a lot of the capitals, mostly original, I would think, from the 5th, 6th century. And these different ones here. Amazing thing here, you can see the original level a little lower. From the street level, we were quite low. And some of the original, these probably later frescoes along the perimeter here of the apse. Going there. Amazing, beautiful thing is the windows. You have the mosaic tiles, probably from the 6th century. Some of them remaining. Just the beauty. Focusing on different tiles. There's one down the bottom. The cross. Right there in that window. And the other side too. Cross right there on that window. These windows all have these things. Also this marble throne, I think, from one of the early centuries. Christian symbols on the side. Flower symbols, cross kind of in there. Like it was cut off in the back. This sits here. Let's look at the other side of it. Yeah, the cross on that side symbols the throne sitting here. I guess the bishop would sit here. And here is an image. I think it's just a made-up image, but you can see a lot of crosses connected with the ribbon and the hearts, often broken. But here it's put all together. And I think this is just a replica piece of wood. But it does show you the whole thing that was remaining there. We'll see, probably later added on for a light or candle or incense. But it looks like the perimeter is from that time period. How it's set up. And looking at over here on the right side, or coming in on the left, is a ambar of speaking made of marble, and with the very similar designs, the Roman designs, but with the different kind of shell-like things. Step up into that, and you can look at in modern day they speak from there. This is a functioning church today. Amazing little piece of history sitting here. And again, the pulpit right in the middle, where the X of Christ, the cross, and the 2 looks like peacocks, yep, in the imagery of